That's working the video, and here is the stick. So I know most of you, when you start to listen to an audio on WhatsApp, something like this, let me just play. Please tell them to like the video. Okay, so when I start to play, you can see now the screen goes blind just because I'm listening to an audio. If yours is like that, I think this video will really help you solve it. And the reason why it is happening like that is just because of the sensor at the top. Okay, so the reason why it goes off is one reason being your screen guide. Okay, so your screen protector may be the reason why it is happening like that, because when you look at the screen protector, it has these black edges. Okay, so if this black edges, the one who applied this screen protector did not look for where the sensor is and then just attach it on your phone screen, if you're not lucky, and then it covers your phone sensor anytime you just make a call or anytime you just tap on the video, an audio like this, okay, an audio on WhatsApp, it will just start to go blind, okay, because the sensor has detected that it has been covered. Okay, these sensors are there so that anytime you bring close to your ear, it detects that something is really covering it, so that it will just give that option, close your phone or let your phone goes blind, so that as you are making a call, your cheek may not be tapping it, either recording or just be tapping things on your phone. Okay, so if it happens like that, first check for your phone sensor. You can just remove your phone protector to see whether it will just get solved. Okay, if not, you can also send your phone to a phone repairer to work on it for your sensor. Okay, so apart from these two things, I'm not sure of any other way that it can be faced. Okay, so try removing your phone protector. If you don't have it, send it to a phone repairer for the phone repairer to check for your sensor whether it is working or not. Okay, maybe your phone got crashed down. Okay, the screen has crashed, so the pieces of it is causing that problem. Okay, so when you just send it there, they will help you out and then just solve it for you. Okay, so I hope this video helps you. If you're new, subscribe and like the video, and then I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Check on the screen and check in the comment section for more videos. Stay alive and bye for now.